only the facility, but we're going to show you a physical product that is the embodiment of everything we do. A product that we are is equally proud of. The first of the new Class 3, 4, 5. So we're enormously proud of the site. We're enormously proud of the trains that we've produced. I won't waffle on too much longer because I'll let the train speak for itself.
Earlier, because we haven't got a forever home for it, so. Sorry, I thought you'd seen me.
So, I think so. It goes like from China all the way to like Russia. Somewhere. Yeah. Get some little.
And this is where we lay all the underframing. When it's flipped over, this is where we attach the wheel set. This is where the wheels are attached.
Looks like at the moment, I have to say, Derby and the other frame pipe work, so it's not pneumatic.
And the cranes that lift that all together must glue together like Lego pieces.
We erect the tube, we bolt on the inter-end and the cabs. We've got one of the completed cab assemblies on the left-hand side. They effectively get mounted on the end and bolted on.
Well, at this moment in time, I'm setting these doors, the doors up to get a watertight seal on them to make sure they will close. And they're called plug doors. So what they'll do, they'll go out, and then we actually seal the corners, and then it pops up. Then once we've got all that done, the foot, we achieve a watertight seal, and there's no leaks on the doors. Is that okay? Does that make sense?
That's amazing. What's your selling?
It's 4 parts.
Try.
You want to go now? Because I can come with you and get this.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
It's not playing football or anything. So, S panels, then we connect to the earths.
Awesome.
Yeah. Okay, all right.
Yeah, thank you, Angela.
Thank you,
Tom.
Cheers. Sorry, Angela.
back if you could, please. Keep back, guys. On the green walkway, please.
It's designed for a more open capacity for stand.
Do we have to wait?
Each one of them big taller line. So they all aspects of them. Yeah, sit down for me, please. Thank you.
But I've been chatting to a really nice man.
There is what we've just been listening to. Yeah, really, really nice. I didn't expect it to.
Hold it right here.
So I think we're going to collab a while back, right? I'll need to get back in touch with him.
Whilst we're adding in a bit, because you insisted on it.
You ready? Chill down. The thing about the Star Wars is like Singapore, those terrorists, they grew up.
Right. This will dictate what mode the train's in, so when we pull up with the bridge, you'll be in forward, because we're going this way down the track, and that's your key on.
So that basically just like a reversal?
It's basically, yeah, it's an automatic car, basically.
I'm not sure. I might drive,
I've got my family there. I mean, most of us we can ride the train, but we wouldn't have done it. And I made an effort to take them on the train.
My kids switch on when I'm trying to
I mean, when I travel on my own, because I go to see my parents.
I bought my boy the greatest get.
Right, so when the alarm comes, just press
Press that button, yeah,
Right.
that's all it makes.
But I'm there until.
Now, rotate that into forward, lift your foot off the pedal, and press down, and then press your brake box with your numbers.
It's an unknown.
Now acknowledge your 4-minute brake test.
No, just your hand, so hand up.
Press that yellow flashing box. And then you'll hear your alarm. Press your AWS reset button.
TPWS and AWS operational.
So I press this anytime the alarm.
You will hear that alarm. Keep coming, pull it towards you. Keep pulling towards us. There we go. Just lift your foot off the pedal.
This one?
Yeah. Lift it up and push it down. There you go. If that ever goes off, just lift it up and down. It's just a driver reminder. So this is just being on here, so we'll maintain 20. There you go, so you get to it. That's fine. And then slowly forward into coast when you feel that click. There you go, that's just coasting there. So we're stopping shorter this time. I'll give you a countdown as to when we're going to start braking. Yeah, so it'll be nice and steady when we come in. There you go, forward. Yep, nice.
When you're recording the real audio, you're just trying to get a clip of you in the camera.
Bring us down to brake again, so we get about 5 miles an hour. Yeah, that will do. And then put it into coast and feel the click. Right, we'll coast to there now and we'll wait for us to get short to
Andy is driving.
see if we can. Should be able to hear on the radio.
Got to keep them on their toes.
Yeah. Okay, forward into braking again. And back again to coast. That's good.